In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to build and launch a self-running AI sales agent that handles your entire sales process end-to-end. You set it up once and watch it prospect, follow up with leads across multiple channels, run sales calls, book appointments, and close deals, all completely hands-free. Let me show you how. From the ClientForce dashboard, click here to create a new agent. Provide a name and set up the basic persona of your agent. Next, add knowledge sources to train your agent on your business data and what you sell. You can enter details directly or connect external sources, upload files, and even add website URLs. Once done, click Next. This step is where we choose how to build out the entire campaign flow, channel touchpoints, follow-up sequence, scripts, and whatnot. It's where the magic really happens. We have 3 options to do this: engage with an agent, build from scratch, or use one of our ready-made playbooks. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll proceed with the build with AI option. Alright, here's the summary of our campaign plan. The AI will now use these details to build out the entire campaign flow in just a few seconds. The campaign sequence is ready. As you can see, the agent has autonomously planned out a full-blown multi-channel engagement, follow-up, and nurturing sequence. It starts the flow with an email outreach, then follows up via SMS, WhatsApp, and even phone calls. At its core, the agent orchestrates a full-blown multi-channel sales campaign, meeting the lead wherever they respond best, making it more effective and dynamic. Also, each step is fully customizable, so you can make changes as you need. Once you are done customizing your campaign flow, click Next. This is where we answer the big question: how does the agent get leads to nurture and close? For one, you can upload a list of your existing leads via the CSV upload option. Select a list inside the ClientForce platform, or simply add a lead manually. However, these are all 100% reliant on leads you already have. So, to make the agent fully self-serving, we took things a step further. With the Enable Lead Capture option, we solve one of the biggest gaps you'll find in most agentic sales systems out there. While most systems rely entirely on being fed existing leads, your ClientForce agent comes with a built-in lead finder and prospecting engine. All you have to do is define who your target audience is. And that's it. Every single day, it'll automatically prospect and find qualified leads, enrich and verify them with AI, and go ahead to feed them directly into your pipeline totally hands-free. So whether you have existing leads or not, this agent is able to keep your pipeline filled and the sales non-stop. As we continue, we'll highlight the different lead sources that power this automated lead ingestion engine. Finally, for the agent setup, we have guardrails and account settings. Once done, click on Preview, then Launch Agent, and voila! Your agent is live. Now, let's see an agent in action. How it orchestrates and executes entire sales processes end-to-end using connected tools, proven templates, and seamless third-party integrations, all running smoothly and autonomously inside your ClientForce dashboard. The Unified Inbox. Here you see all emails, WhatsApp, and SMS communication all in one place. It includes clear labels and filters, and every conversation is neatly organized by lead so you have the full context at a glance. Next is the multi-channel superpower. While most agents send only emails, your ClientForce agent follows up everywhere: email, SMS, WhatsApp, basically meeting the lead wherever they respond best. Now let me show you where this gets really powerful. How about your agent going a step further to make natural, context-aware sales and follow-up calls? Not robotic, not scripted. Real conversations that adapt in real time. Handles objections, book appointments, and so on. Watch it live in action.
Hello.
Hi Bella, this is Godswill from ClientForce AI. I'm just quickly following up on the proposal I sent over about the automated sales system. I saw you had a chance to review it a while back, correct?
Yes, I saw it. I've just been busy.
I totally understand. I'll keep it quick. Are you mainly unsure about pricing, how it works, or whether it fits your niche?
I'm not sure how it's going to work for my business.
That's fair. You're offering digital marketing to local businesses, right?
Yes, I am.
Great. The system finds local business owners, reaches out across multiple channels, follows up.
That was amazing, right? You can also deploy your agent directly on any website. Simply set up a chat widget from here, route it to your sales agent so it uses its brain and persona, and deploy directly on your website. The widget automatically becomes a smart AI sales assistant that chats with visitors, answers questions, captures lead info, offers instant callback, pushes leads into pipeline, and starts follow-up automatically. So whether you have existing leads or not, your agent is able to ingest fresh leads directly from your website, add them to your pipeline automatically, and continue the follow-up and nurturing from there. One really powerful resource option available to your agent is the Done-for-You templates library. Templates are ready-made building blocks consisting of professionally crafted email swipes, call scripts, and follow-up messages, written, tested, and refined for specific niches and campaign goals. Your agent can tap directly into this resource library, using these proven building blocks to assemble campaigns faster and more effectively. Also important to mention is that the agent doesn't work in isolation. It can connect seamlessly with any third-party tools you already use to keep every part of your business in sync. For example, using Zapier, you can integrate your payment provider so it works in sync with your agent to track payments and conversions. Next, we have dynamic proposals. For the first time ever, your sales agent can send out fully dynamic and personalized proposals at scale via email, SMS, or WhatsApp, ensuring every lead gets a unique, personalized, and tailored offer. This level of personalization used to be possible only for email broadcasts, but now it's fully integrated into your agentic system. The agent can send these proposals as part of initial outreach, during follow-up sequences, and even mid-call when a lead is actively engaged. And here's where it gets even more powerful. The agent tracks key metrics for each proposal, opens, clicks, and engagement, and uses this data to guide follow-ups. So it knows exactly which leads to nudge, which to call, and which to remind, making every interaction smarter and more effective. This is personalization and automation combined at scale. From here, you can access additional lead sources that can be connected directly to your agent to power its automated prospecting engine. So whether you already have leads or not, your agent can autonomously ingest leads from any of these sources and automatically add them to your pipeline. Every lead ingested is automatically verified, AI-enriched, deduplicated, and routed into your pipeline so engagement begins the moment they arrive. Important to mention is the robust analytics dashboard that shows you which campaigns, agents, and templates are driving sales. This helps you identify and cut down what isn't working and grow faster with data, not guesswork. ClientForce AI isn't just a tool. It's a fully operational sales department, and it'll work for you, whether you're a beginner, local business owner, affiliate marketer, e-commerce vendor, or in virtually any niche you can think of. Additionally, there's a silver lining to this opportunity you shouldn't miss. With ClientForce AI, you can offer high-in-demand prospecting and sales-related services for very good paychecks. So whether you are using it for clients or for yourself, just imagine waking up, opening your dashboard, and seeing conversations, booked appointments, and payments that came in while you slept. That's the ClientForce effect. All you have to do is set it up once, feed it with needed data, and hit launch. That's it. Looking forward to seeing you on the inside.